Hello all, and I got a lot of commands and a lot of requests on my personal email also to help you walk you through to how to make videos through your text or through the voice. So today we are gonna explore this tool, which is a very interesting and powerful tool. It is HeyGen AI. So you just write in Google HeyGen AI, and once you click this, you will be directed something towards this. Since I'm already logged in, so you can say I've got this is my free version still going on. If you want to upgrade, I'll tell you the plans. First, you explore the free version, that how effective this is, and then you can go on to, the creator version, the team or enterprise, whatever version you like. And it has got a different um, features featuring here unlimited videos and stuff. So let's see the power of this avatar AI. This is the best tool I have got till now. Hey Jen. Okay, so now let's create one simple video. I've created a few videos here. Now this is the photo to video avatar. What you can do is you can either take a sample photo or you can upload your own photo, right? So let's take her, right? And let's give her some script as what she has to say. Hey there, I am. Then let us say that I am Anna, here to help you with AI related AI related I would say issues and queries. So if even if I write spelling mistake, let's see how do they pick it up. So and I'll be happy to help. Let's say I'll be happy to help. Now, you can see that you can write 210 words at max. 15-second videos is permissible in this free pack. Okay, and let's see the voice here. So if I show you my voices,
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it.
so let's use my voice only. Otherwise, if you want different voice, we've got different voice here like
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The
so.
right voice brings avatar videos to life.
So let's take this video, this voice, Sophia, and let's generate this video. Okay, simply you just write your script. You can write the script from ChatGPT also, whatever script you want to add. Take an avatar or upload your own image, and just with a click your video would be created. So I don't want this. I will generate the video. So I am not able to create a video because the HeyGen allows you to create only 3 videos in a month. So I have exhausted my limit. As you can see, I can play this video for you. This is how it looks, but we could not play the video with the avatar that we've created. So let's see this video.
Hi, I am Priyanka experimenting with AI avatars.
And I also downloaded it and I exhausted my limit for this month at the time of the recording of the video. So now either I have to go for upgrading my plan or a different tool. So I'll come up with a tutorial of different tool. If you are interested, please comment in the comment section. And this is a very powerful tool since it has got a lot of things that you can do. You can have an interactive avatar. You can upload your PPT or your PDF, and that would be converted into a video. So this is a very powerful AI tool, and you can also have a podcast here. There's a different tool which generates a podcast script, and you can upload it here. You can have interactive avatars, two avatars talking to each other, and the conversation goes on in a podcast. If you want to start with a podcast channel, that is a very good idea. So you can create a video, but since so I've just seen this, that you take me there, you create a video, write a demo script, you can choose the avatars and experiment with this tool. This is a really nice tool. So you can see this avatar, and what it says is let's see. Hi there, Let's see how it goes. I am Anna. Okay, let's see.
Hi there, I am Anna.
Okay, so you can see this, but you generate this video, you can generate this video. And I'm here to help you with AI related questions, right? Let's write questions. So let's play this.
Hi there, I am Anna. Hi there, I am Anna. I'm here to help you with AI-related questions. Hi there, I am Anna. I'm here to help you with AI-related questions.
Okay, so this is what you can write, and the music also you can upload. You can upload any media, and you can write any text here. Suppose here you can write AI assistant or AI or Anna. Simple, right? So
Hi there, I am Anna. I'm here to help you with AI-related questions.
let's see what it's saying.
Hi there, I am Anna.
And this will start speaking once you generate this. So again, there's a limit to this. So use this tool wisely, because they're not giving you much liberty to experiment. Also, please be cautious about the deep fake that is happening. If you upload anybody's picture here and it mimics that person's voice, and with the upgraded version you can do that. So please use AI wisely. This is my humble request to all the AI generators and the community which is using the AI for content creation or for consumption. So be aware, use AI responsibly. It is here to help us, to assist us, to make the life easy, and not to raise questions or to create nuisance in public, right? So all the best, and please have consideration and responsibility of using AI responsibly. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video with a new AI tool. Till then, happy learning.